Hi guys, today we're going to create another beautiful makeup look. We're going to start with some skin prep and we're going to apply some moisturizer on the face. Next, we're going to use the Conatural Cosmetics Full Coverage Concealer in the shade number 4 Medium for the coverage of dark circles and dark spots. Now I'm going to blend it with a concealer brush and a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to apply some foundation with a brush and I'm going to blend it evenly. And then I will set it with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to apply some full coverage Conatural concealer in the shade number 1 Fair to highlight and enhance the features. After that, I'm going to fix the foundation with a setting powder and I'm going to start the eye makeup. I'm going to apply some brown eyeshadow on the outer corner of the eyes and I'll create a depth line. Now, I'm going to apply some shimmery rose gold eyeshadow on the eyelid and I will apply some pearl white shade on the inner corner of the eye. Now I'm going to tighten the waterline with the dark brown eyeshadow and I will highlight the brow bone. After that, I'm going to create a sharp line with the dark brown eyeshadow. And I will apply rose gold glitter on the eyelid and I will highlight the inner corner of the eye and brow bone with pearl white eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to fill the eyebrows and shape them, and then I'm going to apply a smooth and slightly winged eyeliner. Then I'm going to contour the face, and after contouring, I'm going to apply some blush and highlighter. Next, I'm going to apply some brown lip pencil to create a good shape of the lips. And I'm going to top it off with the Conatural Cosmetics liquid lipsticks in an ombre style with two beautiful shades, Nutty Nude and Pink Tea. Here's a beautiful final look. I hope you like it.